Hello guys! Today we're going to play this beautiful and amazing puzzle. Okay guys, now let's go see what is inside. Inside.
Wow, really cool puzzle. I love the wood box the puzzle comes in. Nice color and shapes in the pieces. All the pieces are in different shapes. Me and my husband going to start this puzzle of 190 pieces. Believe me, it's a challenge. For us to finish it a little bit faster, we decided to split the cat. My husband is doing the face and I'm doing the body. Here we connect our work together. And this is the result. Guys, I recommend this fun and amazing puzzle 100%.